is up, Web3? It's me, Krista Two Moons, right here, the Function1 together with the host of Revelation, Miss Julie. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you for having me. I'm really happy to be here because I'm deeply in AI industry. Yeah.
Okay, so this isn't your first time in Function1, yeah?
No, my second time because I was in the first event in May, the first Function1 event in Middle East.
And how was it compared today?
Amazing. So more and more better, and I'm feeling like technology in each steps in this area.
Okay, now let's talk about Revelations and what do you guys specialize in?
So Revelations, it's entertainment podcast about individuals in Web3, fintech, AI, and business. So I reveal each person who come to my podcast and who come to my events and any places because my main point to make more crying, more smiling, more emotions in each episode of my podcast.
Three, two, one, and what inspired you to attend this event?
Uh, if honestly, the founders of this event inspired me and like inspired this topic because I recognized a lot of people who do really cool projects, build a really good ecosystem in AI. And of course, I believe in AI. For example, recently I saw a Cassandra movie on the Netflix and it's about AI technology. So I like how this technology is developing each day. So uh, also I like the person who involved in this event because it's really different. For example, Web3 events or AI events, it's two different industry. Yeah.
Do you think AI is a tool or a threat for humanity?
It's tool, but if the people use AI not right, AI can conquer the people and conquer the brain of the person.
Do you think AI is gonna take over our place? Like this is 2025 and there's AI robots who can actually be a host, who can actually be a waitress, a gasoline guy, the one who's doing eyelashes. You know what I'm saying? Isn't it scary for us?
For me, no. I like it. I believe that one day AI conquered our brain, our world, and we go to the new galaxy.
Thank you so much. And what do you think will be the future of AI?
I think in one day, if I go to the kitchen and the AI robot can cook for me and do everything, I will be happy. Yes.
What do you think is the future of money?
For example, if I have AI robot who can print money for me, it will be cool. Yes.
Thank you so much, Julie. And then now describe this event in one word.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Be happy.
Be happy. This is me, Krista Two Moons. More to come. Only here at FOMO, the future of money.